Hey everyone, it's Shruti and welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज का वीडियो होने वाला है favorites video. I have a bunch of products over here with me. थोड़े skin care है, body care, makeup, a lot of products that I've been loving in the month of September and October, like half of October. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. So let's get started. Slowly kisses passing by the river. So the first product I want to talk about is this one by Hyphen. It's their Golden Hour Glow Serum. First impression is it's a good serum. It has a lot of good ingredients, lot of good active ingredients like kakadu plum, hyaluronic acid, alpha arbutin, niacinamide और भी बहुत सारे पेप्टाइड्स है, एंटीऑक्सीडेंट्स, काफ़ी सारे अच्छे इंग्रेडिएंट्स है इस सीरम में. बट एज दे क्लेम गोल्डन आवर ग्लो, डज इट गिव मी दैट गोल्डन आवर ग्लो? I don't think so. It moisturizes my skin. It gives me a slight glow, but doesn't give me that Korean glass skin like glow. आप try on part में देख ही सकते हो. Other than that, it's a really good serum. It absorbs really nicely. It moisturizes my skin, keeps it hydrated. एक हफ्ते से ये use करना start किया like this October. So I'll update you guys in the year end वाला favorites if I like it and if it gives that kind of glow. A lightweight moisturizer that I've been loving lately is this one by Faye. It's their Daily Dip Daily Moisturizer to hydrate, calm and repair. इसमें है hyaluronic acid, PGA, Cica and ceramides in it. Great for all skin types. As I said, काफ़ी अच्छा lightweight है. It almost has that gel kind of formula. It's not very heavy at all. It just blends into your skin, absorb कर लेता है. मेरा skin तो काफ़ी happy हो जाता है as soon as I apply this because it's so lightweight. It absorbs quickly. It hydrates my skin throughout the day. It keeps it nice and supple, yet giving me a slight glow on my face. You can see it in the try on part as well. I love this as my every single day kind of a moisturizer, and sometimes if I don't want to do a lot of skincare in the night, I just like to apply this all over my face and go to sleep, just like a quick skincare routine. As I said before, it's like a gel consistency, तो काफ़ी easily absorb हो जाता है. Oily skin type, normal dry skin type, everyone will love it. I am a dry skin type and I love it as well, so definitely give it a try. Another moisturizer that I've been loving lately is because of the glow it gives. अगर आपको Korean glowing skin चाहिए, like a glass skin, this is the product you need to have right now. This one is by Pilgrim. It's their Squalene Glow Moisturizer, and as they say, it's a glow moisturizer. आप try on part में दे सकते हो. मेरी skin इतनी ज़्यादा glow करती है ये लगाने के बाद. It's definitely temporary, I would say. As soon as you apply this product, your skin will look like a Korean glass skin, and I love it. I live for it. I like to apply this in the night, and a morning में मैं apply करती हूँ, especially when I'm gonna do some makeup on my face. I just like to use this as like a prep on my skin because my makeup just looks so much better. It looks like my skin is inner glow, बोलते हैं ना, वैसा लगता है मेरा skin. I have used this right now as well, and you can see it's not looking patchy, it's not looking heavy. I've used like a full coverage concealer underneath. I love to use this under my eyes as well to give that kind of a glow. Also, when you talk about the ingredient list, its main ingredient is squalene. Again, squalene is great for hydration and to get that beautiful Korean skin like glow. It has niacinamide and vitamin C in it. Does not have any artificial fragrance. I've been loving using this product. Highly recommend it. My last skincare recommendation is a chemical exfoliator by Minimalist. This one has 25% AHA, 5% PHA and 2% BHA in it. It's a face peel and this gives you instant glow and soft skin. That's exactly what this gets rid of all the dead skin near your nose area, blackheads, whiteheads, all over your face. Dead skin gives you an even skin tone and really works on the texture of your skin. I feel this does a good job for that, and majorly मैं chemical exfoliator उसके लिए use करती हूँ. You need to use this twice every month. Don't overdo it. 15 days में once is good enough. So twice a month, you're good to go. You definitely have to be a little bit more consistent to see the result, and you can definitely feel a difference when you touch your skin before and after में. So yes, texture पे it does a really good job. I would say ordinary का AHA BHA is definitely a bit stronger, so if you have that tolerance you can definitely opt for that one. But this one is so much good if you have sensitive skin, or if you are someone who is trying out a chemical exfoliator for the first time. I would say go for this one because वो ordinary वाला थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही strong है. It could cause peel, burn and stuff like that if you keep it for a longer time. This one also you're supposed to keep it only and only for 10 minutes. So please instruction read करना और उतने ही time के लिए रखना because this is a chemical exfoliator. You could cause chemical burns. Please जितना recommend किया है उतना ही time use करना, and this will definitely give you a good result. Moving on to body care products. One of the products that I've been obsessing over lately is this body wash by Plum. It's their caramel popcorn body wash. जैसा नाम है उसी की तरह स्मेल करता है. Literally smells like caramel popcorn, which is my favorite. जब भी मैं popcorn लेती हूँ, it has to be caramel flavored, and I now get to smell like a caramel popcorn every single time I take a shower. And other than that as well, scent तो अच्छा है ही. I definitely feel this is a great gifting option. It came in a gift box as well, so it had this body wash, it had a hand cream as well. Both of them I love and I use it every single day. I think एक और item था but मुझे अभी याद नहीं हो क्या था. So yeah, great gifting option. दिवाली आ रही है, भाई दूज आ रहा है, so many festivities coming up, and yeah, great gifting options. And you can see इतना ही बचा हुआ है. So yeah, the whole September and October तक मैंने ये use किया है and I love it. Next one is this hand cream from the same range. This one is also by Plum. It's their caramel popcorn hand cream. It moisturizes my hand, keeps it soft and supple, but smelling like a caramel popcorn. I literally sniff my hand every single second because it smells so good. It's a hand cream, keeps my hand moisturized and soft. What else to say about it? The only thing I love is it smells divine. I love it. The next item I want to talk about is again a great gifting option and something that I've been loving using are these body washes from this brand called Oct. This one specially is the first one that I tried. So I tried this because it's a काफी expensive product, I'm not gonna lie. The big bottle of this cost around 4,000 or 3,400, something like that. So yeah, quite expensive. So I wanted to try out the trial size of this, and this costs 800 or 900. So this bottle costs 800 rupees. But I would say as you can see काफी ज़्यादा मैंने use किया हुआ है, and I've been using this for 2 months or more than that actually, and काफी use हुआ है. And you don't need a lot of it, you just need a few drops of it all over your body. It literally applies like an oil, and as soon as it comes in contact with water, it lathers up. आप देख सकते हो try on part में. So yeah, it works as a body wash. It's very gentle and light on your skin. It does not dry your skin. Keeps my skin soft, supple, and smells divine. I genuinely love this, and ये खत्म होने के बाद I'm definitely gonna get myself the big bottle. Swiftly moving on to the makeup category. The first product I want to talk about is this one by L'Oreal. It's a concealer. It's the infallible full wear full coverage concealer, and oh my god, this is definitely not a new product. It's been in the market for quite some while now, but मैंने ये अभी try किया है and I've been obsessed. Okay, I'm in the shade 312 Amber, and it's like a perfect shade for me. As you can see, the applicator is also quite nice. This kind of reminds me of the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. The doe foot applicator is also nice and chubby, similar to that. Uska packaging and all very similar to that as well. Also the quality and the way it covers, conceals and brightens up my under eyes, it's impeccable. It does not like settle in that fine line. It does not move away from my skin or anything. It does not move. Okay, once it sets, it's there. Especially if you set it with a powder, it's gonna be there for a really long time. I have used this in the morning and evening. रात में आकर भी मेरा concealer वैसे का वैसे ही दिख रहा है. It does not like settle in that fine lines, make it look like very ashy, cracky, or like dry patches. कुछ भी नहीं होता है. It's so good, especially if you're someone who likes to use concealer for your go-to makeup look, like no foundation, just concealer for your every single day kind of a look, which I've been doing a lot lately. Especially with the festivities coming up, a really good concealer I would highly recommend. The next product I want to talk about is this blush by Kiro. It's in the shade 03 Vintage Rose. It's a beautiful, beautiful shade. इसमें 3 shades available है, but the Vintage Rose one is my favorite one. This one has rosehip oil, moringa oil, and avocado oil in it. It's very nourishing. It's very creamy. Applicator is so easy to use and carry as well. So you can see in the try-on part कि कैसा दिख रहा है मेरे skin पे. I like to layer it with my Etude lip and cheek tint. The red one, I like to use it first, and then I like to layer this one for an every single day kind of a look. But just this, it's definitely a little bit more on the pink side, and it looks beautiful on warm undertone. If you are someone who likes like good amount of pigmentation, then this is not the one. It's a very light flush of color on your skin. That's the reason I like to layer it with the Etude one, and together it looks beautiful. But just this as well, it's a beautiful flush of color. I know camera पे ये ज़्यादा दिख के नहीं आता है, but in person it's a beautiful color. It definitely washes off, as you can see. काफी time हो गया लगा के, I think 1 or 2 hours, and it's definitely a bit more lighter now. Even in person, yeah, it definitely washes off. That's the reason when I layer it, it lasts so much more longer. So yeah. Next, I have 3 lip products to talk about. First, let's start with the color chemistry one. This is the first time I'm trying out their lipstick shades, and I am obsessed, especially for the festive season. These are so good. ये पूरे नवरात्रि में मैं यही 2 लिपस्टिक्स लगा रही थी, and it lasted me the whole night. Okay, जैसे मैं लगा के जा रही थी और मैं 12-1 बजे आ रही थी, but my lipstick was there. It did not move, it did not budge at all. I'm wearing it right now. It's such a pretty shade of color. I'm going to show you guys the shades as well. The first one I picked up is Terracotta LC10, and this is such a beautiful warm brown shade. It's a true terracotta color and I love it. जैसे वो दिखाया है वैसे का वैसे ही ये दिखता है in person as well, and I think this is such a beautiful shade for Indian skin tone. Will look beautiful from fair to medium to darker shades as well. So love this shade on me as well as for everyone who's gonna purchase this, honestly. Okay, and the next shade I picked up is this one called Rosewood LC01. Again, a beautiful shade, especially for the festive season. It has a little bit of burgundy, a little bit of red in it, a little bit of pink in it, and it's a beautiful burgundy shade. Love it. As I said, festivities आ रहा है, wedding season start होने वाला है, and this is gonna be one of the top shades that I'm gonna wear. Talking about the formula, it glides like butter on your lips and it sets matte. I would say it's a creamy matte formula because it truly doesn't dry down to the point that it doesn't transfer. थोड़ा transfer है इसमें, even if I try to like swatch it after 2 to 3 hours, still थोड़ा transfer है, काफी less है. I can work with it honestly. But the one thing I would say is it does dry down your lips quite a lot. So I highly recommend prepping your lips or just applying a little bit of lip balm prior. You can apply Vaseline, any lip balm honestly works. और उसके बाद अगर ये lipstick लगाओगे ना, then truly it's gonna keep your lips moisturized and the color is also gonna stay for a really long time. But when I try to apply this just as is on my dry lips, it just accentuated everything. It cracked up and it was just peeling off, I would say. So yeah, prep your lips, and these are beautiful lipstick. I would highly recommend them. The last product I want to talk about is this super viral lip stain by LA Girl. It's their glossy tint lip stain. As they say, it's supposed to apply glossy, and जैसे gloss निकल जाता है, it stains your lip, and I would definitely say the stain lasts for a really long time. And this is definitely a dupe for the Roman one. I feel Roman से भी ये वाला stain lasts for a really long time. But I picked it up in the shade Adored, और आपको website पे मैं दिखाऊंगी कि ये shade वहाँ पर कैसे दिखता है. I thought this is gonna be a red color because tell me if this is not looking red to you, okay? And this one is definitely more of like a pinkish purple. The stain, the gloss, everything is pinkish purple, and this will look really good. Undertone people, I'm a warm undertone. I feel this is definitely looking a little weird. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below whether it's looking good on me or not. And that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. With that said, like, share, subscribe, hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I'll see you guys in my next video super soon. Bye.
We had a dream, we were sipping whiskey neat. I used to floor the Bowery when I was high enough.
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that